Students, next we can learn addition theorem of probability. Okay, how to add this probability of two or more element sets with us. How to add that probability, that is the addition theorem. If A and B are any two events, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, already we learned it. If the two sets are mutually exclusive, there is no intersection part. But here, the A and B are any two events. Here they did not mention about exclusive or not. Okay, so this is the common formula for the probability of adding two events. Okay, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Like that, if you have more than one. See this three sets A, B and C are any three events. How to do? Probability of A union B union C is equal to, first you have to add separately. Okay, then subtract in the intersection of two events, then add the intersection of all the three events. Okay, first separately add, then subtract the intersection of two events. So P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C. Understood? Then add the intersection of all the events. P of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, like this way we can do for the more than two sets also. Are you clear? That we have to prove. First one is A and B, only two events. Okay, so that you can consider given A and B are two events. For that, first we can draw the diagram. Okay, A and B are the two events. A and B are two events. Okay, in the formula they given A union B. Okay, A union B means totally this A and B together equal to P of A. That means P of only A plus P of only B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so in this Venn diagram, what is only A? This is only A except this common place. This except the common place, this is only B. Okay, then this is A intersection B. Are you clear? So we can shade that differently. Now you see the Venn diagram. This shading, it is only A. Okay, then intersection, this is the intersection, this is only B. Okay, I shade differently. You can give different symbols also inside the circles, inside this portion. Okay, anyway, now you see this only A intersection and only B. Separately you consider three sets. Have any common portions of these three? This is only A intersection and only B have no common portion. But these three together will give A union B. Am I correct? Will together these three A only A intersection B and only B together will give A union B. Okay, like the previous theorem, union is giving the set but intersection is empty. Okay, so we can apply the probability of A union B is equal to probability of only A plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of only B. It is by theorem 1. Are you clear? Shall we write now? By Venn diagram. So their union is A union B. So we can write therefore probability of A union B is equal to probability of this only A union A intersection B union only B. Okay, this three set you consider. So only A is first set, this is A intersection B is middle and only B is the last set. Okay, that now union of these three sets, but their three are mutually exclusive. So we can write this separately with the addition symbol but have no intersection. So probability of only A plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of only B. Now from Venn diagram you know probability of only A, that means only A means totally probability of A minus this intersection. Am I correct? This total A minus this, that is only A. Like the same only B, this means together full B minus A intersection B. Okay, so we can write only A means probability of A minus probability of A intersection B, this plus probability of A intersection B, then plus again this only B means probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so only A means probability of this whole set A minus A intersection B. Like the same only B means probability of the whole set B minus A intersection B. That be written now. Okay, now we can change the bracket. If you can cancel any, you can cancel it and conclude that value. Okay, that is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so we can cancel this minus P of A intersection B and plus P of A intersection B. So what we get, which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, that's only we need to prove in the first one. Are you clear? So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Hence proved. So we completed the first one. Next we can do the second one. In this second question, here they given A, B and C are any three events. Then probability of A union B union C is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. Then minus of intersection of all separately. Then addition the minus intersection of two sets separately. Then plus intersection of all the sets. Okay, so three sets are given. We can consider the three sets. For that we can draw the this Venn diagram. In this right side we will not use to do, but we need it for explanation. Okay, so you draw the Venn diagram in the right side in small size. So A, B, C. Are you clear? Now here we have three sets. For these three sets, to do the somewhat confusion you will get, so you can take this two sets together and another set. Okay, let B union C is equal to the another set D. Okay, we need to prove A union B union C, probability of A union B union C. So A set we kept it separately, and B union C, the second and third set, we took together, it is D. Are you clear? Now therefore P of the left hand side, okay, you can write LHS, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A union D. Okay, now we get only two sets. Are you clear? Only two sets you get. So in these two, how can we do? Like the previous first part of this theorem, if you have two sets, you can write that probability separately and subtract the intersection. The same way here, P of A plus P of D minus P of A intersection D. Are you clear? Now, what is the D value? It is B union C. So in the place of D, you can write B union C. So probability of A plus probability of B union C minus probability of A intersection B union C. Okay, now what is the probability of B union C? Again you apply the first theorem. Again you apply the first theorem in this B union C. What you get? So P of A plus here first set is B and second set is C. So P of B plus P of C minus the intersection. Okay, P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C. Are you clear? These together. Okay, it is by P of B union C. Then we can see the last part, P of A intersection B union C. We can apply the distributive property minus P of A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, A intersection is commonly outside, you apply that inside. So A intersection B union A intersection C. Are you clear? A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, now here you have the union of two sets. A intersection B is one set and A intersection C is another set. Okay, this is one set, this is another set. So how can we write by the first part of union of two sets? Union the probability of first set plus probability of second set minus probability of the intersection of these two sets. Okay, so we can continue again, which is equal to the previous. The first line completely the same, have no change. Probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of B intersection C. There have no change. Minus, we can apply the probability inside using the first part of the theorem. So take it separately. Probability of A intersection B plus probability of A intersection C, then minus probability of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. Okay, so this here we can put the flower bracket. Are you clear? Now we applied this A intersection B as a set and A intersection C as another set. So using the first part, first probability of first set plus probability of second set minus probability of the intersection. So probability of first set plus probability of second set minus probability of intersection. In this situation we need the Venn diagram. You see what is A intersection B? This is A. See the Venn diagram, A, B, C. What is A intersection B? This is A intersection B. Am I correct? Then what is A intersection C? This is A intersection C. Is it? Now, what is the common part? This is the common part. What is that? What is this common part? It is A intersection B intersection C. Is it? This is A intersection B. This is A intersection C. But this area, it is the common part of all these three circles, three events, three sets. That is A intersection B intersection C. So for this together we can write as A intersection B intersection C. Are you clear? Which is equal to, here also the first line same, no change. Then we can apply this minus inside, and instead of this we can write that from the Venn diagram. Okay, so P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C. Then apply this minus inside, minus P of A intersection B. This minus again inside. Okay, in each place you have to take the minus. So minus P of A intersection C, then minus into minus plus. I said this A intersection B intersection A intersection C is A intersection B intersection C. So we can write probability of A intersection B intersection C. Here you can write by Venn diagram. Okay, now you see what you need to prove. P of A plus P of B plus P of C separately, then intersection P of A intersection B, P of B intersection C, P of A intersection C. You have the subtraction, then add this all the intersections together. The same we got it here. You see P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B. The order is different, but there is no problem. P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so we got this answer. We can write hence proved. In the left side you have P of A union B union C. Okay, we can write hence proved. Are you clear? This Venn diagram you draw neatly. Okay, don't think of it as rough diagram. Neatly you draw, then only you will get the mark. Okay.